Do you need more leads, sales, and fans to grow your business? Facebook ads are a great solution for businesses because they allow you to target audiences based on hundreds of data points the Facebook algorithm has collected on your target customers. With 2 billion users, Facebook is providing businesses with the largest advertising opportunity in history since Google search was created in the 90s to help you achieve your business growth goals. As the CEO of Global Social Media Marketing, I've spent 10 years running Facebook ads to save you the time investment on your end to learn how to get ROI from Facebook. Don't know how to install a Facebook pixel or tried Facebook in the past without any success of converting customers of unqualified leads? Or maybe you're looking for a solution on how to make more revenue and get visibility for your business during these times with Facebook. Have no fear. GSMM is here to help. Facebook allows you to find new qualified leads easily, fully automate your product sales conversion funnel for e-commerce, and gain hundreds of fans quickly for cheap when you do it right. Success in Facebook ads campaigns can be broken down into 3 simple steps. 1. Value offer messaging to solve your customers' pain points. 2. Smart audience strategy. 3. Eye-catching creative. So join me, Benjamin Kepner, CEO of Global Social Media Marketing, as I walk you through how to build converting Facebook sales funnels in multiple industries, generating hundreds of leads with Facebook lead ads, and how to ultimately grow your brand with new fans by the thousands using Facebook likes campaigns. You won't want to miss my insights for managing over 80 brands across 30 industries worldwide on Facebook and spending over $1 million on Facebook ads to date for businesses to grow. Click the link below to register for your free webinar on how to use Facebook ads to generate leads, sales, and fans. Global Social Media Marketing and Network After Work decided to come together to present this virtual summit, How to Maximize Facebook for Business, with must-know information on how to help people grow their business with Facebook ads. Learn expert strategies to scale your business and dominate your market on Facebook. Presented by Connection Request, Network After Work, webinars and workshops, and Global Social Media Marketing, we've already had people from over 85 cities sign up already to watch this virtual summit. Still wondering why you might want to sign up for this Digital Marketing Facebook Summit? Well, here's a list of reasons why you should. You'll obtain exclusive insights and secret strategies. You'll gain valuable skills and formulas to scale up your Facebook business fast. You won't find this content anywhere else. Get dozens of innovative tactics that deliver results from proven industry case studies. And finally, it's free. You can register with a free pass for this virtual summit. So join me to learn how to get winning Facebook ad strategies for your business growth success. Finally, we'll also provide a free Facebook marketing course at the end of the presentation, so you have all the Facebook tutorials you need to succeed on Facebook and an option to book a call with me for a strategy call. So sign up below to register,